So I'm fixing to do a tutorial of Ain't No Grave by Karen Wheaton. Alright, let's do this real quick. I don't have my normal overhead setup. So we're going to start in C minor instead of C sharp minor like the Karen Wheaton was doing. Going down to the river, put my knees down in the sand. I'm gonna holler hosannas till I reach the promised land. I look way over Jordan. I saw people dressed in white. I know they was God's children, Lord, because I seen them doing right. I looked way over Jordan. What do you think I would see? I seen a band of angels, Lord, coming after me. Now you can take me out to the graveyard, and you can lay this old body down. And on that first resurrection morning, I'm gonna come up out of the ground. Well, ain't no grave gonna hold my body down. Ain't no grave gonna hold my body down. When I hear that trumpet sound, I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna get up out of the ground. Ain't no grave gonna hold my body down. Well, meet me, Jesus, meet me in the middle of the air. Know the others have failed before, I know that you'll be there. Ain't no grave gonna hold my body down. There ain't no grave gonna hold my body down. When I hear that trumpet sound, I'm gonna get up, get up out of the ground. There ain't no grave gonna hold my body down. Well, that's it. I hope you like it. I hope it helps.